Tokenized computing resource markets. Tokenized computing resource markets create the economic backbone of decentralized AI by transforming computational power into tradable digital assets, enabling a global marketplace in which GPU cycles, storage capacity, and specialized AI hardware can be bought, sold, and allocated through blockchain-native mechanisms. Unlike traditional cloud computing models, where Amazon, Google, and Microsoft capture the majority of revenue from computational services, tokenized markets distribute value directly to hardware owners while creating liquid markets for AI computational resources. The fundamental innovation lies in the treatment of computing resources as fungible tokens that can be traded, stacked, and programmatically allocated through smart contracts. Participants contribute idle computational capacity from gaming rigs with powerful GPUs to enterprise servers and receive tokens proportional to their computational contribution and uptime reliability. These tokens simultaneously function as payment mechanisms, governance voting rights, and collateral for service-level agreements, creating comprehensive economic incentives that align individual hardware owners with network performance. The Render Network, RNDR, demonstrates how tokenization transforms the economics of high-performance computing for AI workloads. Content creators and AI developers submit rendering or inference jobs to the network, whereas node operators with compatible hardware compete for tasks based on performance, pricing, and reputation scores. Smart contracts automatically handle resource allocation, job distribution, and payment settlement, eliminating traditional intermediaries while ensuring that computational contributors receive fair compensation for their hardware investments. This model has enabled significant cost reductions compared to centralized cloud services while maintaining quality and reliability standards. The tokenization approach addresses critical inefficiencies in traditional cloud computing markets, particularly underutilization of distributed computational resources. Gaming computers, cryptocurrency mining rigs, and enterprise servers often remain idle for significant portions of each day, representing billions of dollars in unutilized computational capacity. Tokenized markets mobilize these distributed resources by creating economic incentives for owners to contribute to spare capacity during off-peak hours, effectively creating a globally distributed supercomputer that scales dynamically based on demand. Advanced tokenized platforms implement sophisticated resource classification systems that differentiate between computational capabilities and price them accordingly. AI inference workloads require different hardware profiles than large language models, and tokenized markets can automatically match job requirements with optimal hardware configurations through algorithmic resource allocation. Participants with specialized hardware, such as high memory GPUs suitable for large model inference or tensor processing units optimized for training, receive premium token rewards that reflect their specialized hardware capabilities. Quality assurance and security in tokenized computing markets rely on reputation systems embedded directly in token economics. Nodes that consistently deliver high-quality results within specified timeframes accumulate reputation tokens, which increase their chances of receiving high-value computational jobs. Conversely, nodes that provide poor results or fail to meet service commitments face token penalties and reduced future job allocations. This creates self-regulating markets in which quality emerges from economic incentives rather than centralized quality control systems, ensuring that decentralized computational networks can match or exceed the reliability of traditional cloud providers. The economic implications extend beyond simple cost reduction to creating new business models that are impossible under centralized cloud architectures. Small organizations and individual developers can monetize their existing hardware investments by participating in tokenized compute markets during off hours. In contrast, Larger computational jobs can achieve significant cost savings by accessing global distributed capacity rather than paying premium rates for centralized cloud services. This redistribution of cloud computing economics represents a fundamental shift from extractive corporate models to collaborative economic participation that benefits all network contributors. Cross-chain model training networks. Cross-chain model training networks represent a breakthrough in decentralized AI architecture by enabling federated learning systems to span multiple blockchain networks, thereby dramatically expanding the scale and diversity of collaborative model development beyond single-chain limitations. This advancement addresses a critical bottleneck in blockchain-based AI systems, where training was previously confined to participants within a single network, limiting both computational resources and dataset diversity available for model improvement. The Proof of Federated Training (POFT) framework, pioneered by researchers at Adobe Research and IIT Kharagpur, demonstrates how AI models can be trained across multiple independent blockchain networks through verifiable asset transfer mechanisms. Unlike traditional approaches that embed model structures as blockchain assets, which create verification challenges and scalability issues, POFT stores model parameters directly as transferable digital assets, enabling the seamless migration of trained weights between different blockchain ecosystems without dependency on specific model architectures or versioning systems. Technical architecture solves fundamental interoperability challenges through parameter-based asset representation rather than structural embedding. When a model completes training rounds on a blockchain network, the final global model weights are packaged as verified assets that contain parameter values, loss metrics, accuracy measurements, and dataset characteristics. These assets can then be transferred to foreign blockchain networks, where they serve as initialization weights for continued training on new datasets or different model architectures, effectively creating a global federated learning ecosystem that transcends the individual network boundaries. Cross-chain training delivers measurable performance improvements that justify architectural complexity. Experimental results show that models initialized with weights transferred from other blockchain networks consistently outperform models trained from scratch, with transferred weights providing superior initialization even when applied to augmented model architectures with additional layers. This demonstrates that cross-chain weight transfer preserves and enhances the model quality rather than degrading it through the interchain process, making collaborative training across networks technically viable for production applications. The consensus mechanism for cross-chain asset transfers relies on collective signing protocols that ensure model authenticity and prevent tampering during the transfer process. Before weights can migrate between networks, participating nodes in the source blockchain must reach a consensus about the model's validity through cryptographic signatures, while receiving networks verify asset integrity through relay services that validate transferred parameters against expected model characteristics. This creates trustless interoperability in which model training can span multiple blockchain ecosystems without requiring participants to trust foreign network validators or operators. The economic implications of cross-chain model training extend tokenized incentive models beyond single network limitations, enabling organizations operating on different blockchain platforms to collaborate on shared AI initiatives while maintaining sovereignty over their respective network governance. Multitask learning and transfer learning scenarios become particularly compelling when different organizations can contribute specialized data sets from their blockchain networks while sharing the computational costs and benefits of improved model performance across all participating chains. This has created new forms of collaborative AI development that leverage blockchain interoperability to achieve training outcomes that are impossible within isolated network silos. Democratized edge computing solutions. Democratized edge computing solutions are revolutionizing decentralized AI by pushing intelligent processing directly to consumer devices and local networks, enabling real-time AI capabilities without dependence on centralized cloud infrastructure or data transmission to remote servers. This transformation addresses critical latency requirements while maintaining user privacy and reducing bandwidth costs, which have historically made AI applications expensive and impractical for many use cases. The emergence of edge AI hub devices represents a paradigm shift in consumer computing architecture, where households and small businesses can deploy sophisticated AI processing capabilities using specialized hardware optimized for local inference and training. These devices function as distributed computing nodes that can process AI workloads locally while participating in broader federated networks, thereby creating a mesh of intelligence that operates independently of traditional cloud providers. The Edge AI Hub model enables users to run complex AI applications, from computer vision to natural language processing, directly on premises while contributing excess computational capacity to decentralized networks for token rewards. Edge AI implementations are particularly transformative in applications that require minimal latency and maximum privacy protection. Autonomous vehicles, industrial automation systems, and smart city infrastructure benefit dramatically from edge-based AI processing, which can make critical decisions in milliseconds without round-trip communication to distant data centers. Healthcare applications demonstrate especially compelling use cases in which patient data must remain on local devices while still benefiting from AI-powered diagnostics and treatment recommendations. Federated learning enables these edge devices to improve their AI models through collective learning without sharing sensitive patient information beyond local deployment. Democratization emerges through dramatically reduced barriers to AI deployment and ownership. Traditional AI applications require substantial cloud computing budgets that can reach thousands of dollars monthly for moderate usage, making advanced AI capabilities accessible only to well-funded organizations. Edge computing solutions eliminate these recurring costs by enabling organizations to purchase edge hardware once and operate AI applications indefinitely without per-transaction fees or bandwidth charges. This economic model enables small businesses, educational institutions, and individual developers to deploy sophisticated AI capabilities previously limited to corporations with substantial cloud budgets. Technical advances in edge AI hardware are making consumer-grade devices capable of running models that have previously required data center infrastructure. Modern edge processors integrate specialized AI accelerators, high-bandwidth memory, and optimized inference engines that can execute large language models and computer vision applications at speeds approaching those of cloud-based alternatives. This hardware evolution, combined with model optimization techniques such as quantization and pruning, enables edge devices to deliver AI performance that satisfies real-world application requirements while consuming minimal power and generating minimal heat. The security implications of democratized edge computing provide significant advantages over centralized AI systems by maintaining sensitive data and computational processes under direct user control. Rather than transmitting personal information, business data, or proprietary algorithms to third-party cloud providers, edge AI solutions process information locally and share aggregated insights or model improvements through federated learning protocols. This architecture eliminates many privacy risks associated with centralized AI while enabling collaborative model improvement that benefits all network participants without compromising individual data sovereignty.